Look closely at these 5 small pieces of metal and plastic. 5 cars, 5 different brands. They sit silently on my desk, barely filling the palm of my hand. But what if I told you that, together, they form a complete, complex story? The story of an entire nation's culture, its dreams, its labor, and its undeniable global influence. Welcome to the garage. Today, we're not just reviewing Diecast. We're doing something different. I've grouped these 5 specific models, all icons of Japan, into what I call the Silent Revolution, Japanese icons in scale. In this group, we have a legend of pure performance, a backbone of heavy industry, a champion of the small business, an icon of the great outdoors, and a wild child of the tuning scene. These miniatures are windows into macro trends, sustainability, economic challenge, the fight for authenticity, and the explosion of digital culture. Let's dive in. We start with the Matchbox Honda S2000, the JDM pure performance piece. This isn't just a car, it's a testament to the pursuit of mechanical perfection. VTEC, 9,000 RPM. This car existed solely to deliver an uncompromised driving experience. But look at the real world now. The S2000 represents a beautiful, analog dream that is rapidly fading. We are transitioning to electric power. We are talking autonomy. This miniature, especially in a Japan series livery, is now a collectible artifact. It emotionally grounds the collector in the golden age of internal combustion. It's not just a review, it's an elegy for the analog driving experience. Next, we have its rebellious grandchild, the Mini GT LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15 Advan. This is the wild child of tuning culture. Extreme aero, massive wings, a total rejection of factory standard. This piece perfectly captures the global digital culture trend. Car culture is now fueled by games like Forza and Gran Turismo, and driven by social media. The Liberty Walk style, the super silhouette look. It's pure digital aesthetic made real. This diecast isn't just about collecting, it's about owning a pixelated dream, a real-life cheat code from the tuning subculture. Now we pivot sharply from the track to the trench. Meet the Tomica Isuzu Giga dump truck, the backbone of industry. Why is a dump truck relevant to our world? Because it's the physical manifestation of infrastructure. Every skyscraper, every bullet train line, every future project relies on this vehicle. In a time when global supply chains are fragile and construction is booming, this model reminds us of the grind. It represents the fundamental, often unseen work that keeps the world from collapsing. It's a tribute to the dignity of heavy labor and the resilience of a nation's economy. From big industry to micro enterprise, we have the Suzuki Carry Pickup Mobile Catering Truck, the champion of small business. This is the ultimate representation of the Kei-car philosophy. Maximum utility in a minimal footprint. But more importantly, it shows the hustle. This little truck is an ice cream shop, a ramen stand, a mobile barber. In a post-pandemic world where side hustles and small businesses are booming, this diecast taps into the entrepreneurial spirit. It's a symbol of hope and creativity in the face of economic turbulence. We complete our circle with the ERACAR, Suzuki Jimny Sierra, the icon of adventure. The Jimny is a global phenomenon because it rejects complication. It's small, capable, and honest. In a world saturated with complex technology, massive SUVs, and hyper-consumerism, the Jimny represents a trend toward authentic analog experience and minimalism. It inspires us to escape the screen and find a trail. The revival style with outdoor parts. It's not just a car, it's a mood board for the weekend, a pocket-sized antidote to burnout.
Touch me.
So here they are again. The 5 icons. The S2000 laments the loss of analog purity. The Silvia celebrates the new digital extreme. The Giga reminds us of the crucial work beneath our feet. The Kei-car proves creativity and small size can conquer big markets. The Jimny offers the sweet relief of escape and authenticity. These aren't just toys, they are curated pieces of art that capture the enormous challenges and exhilarating trends of the real world, from the electric revolution to the rise of the small entrepreneur. This is the power of Diecast collecting. It allows us to hold a complex narrative in our hand. It makes the macro micro. Host, looking directly into the camera. Which of these 5 stories resonates most with your life right now? Are you pursuing the analog dream, battling the industrial grind, or looking for your next Jimny-inspired escape? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of miniature motoring and macro trends, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, keep collecting the stories.